Hello, little friends. Welcome to our Jolly Phonics adventure. Today, we will begin learning about alphabet, the sounds they make, and some fun words that start with each letter. Let's get started with letter A.
This is the letter A. Can you say A? A says ah. Can you make the sound with me? Ah. A is for apple. Look at this red apple. Apple. Can you make the sound with me? Apple.
Watch it as it spins, sharing laughs and grins. Catch up, bounce and dance around. The fun just never ends. Apple, it's so sweet. Says and that's so neat. Learn the sound and sing along with the letter A. We'll stay strong. Watch it as it spins, sharing laughs and grins. Catch up, bounce and dance around. The fun just never ends.
That's all for today, little friends. Keep practicing, and remember, learning is always fun with Jolly Phonics. See you next time.